So in this video, I'm gonna find another way for the nested if. So if we are using the if statements and we have to apply multiple conditions, so we have to use the nested ifs. So in this video, we are actually finding a way that we should not apply a nested ifs. But before that, let me show you how the nested if works. In this table here, I have the table, and in this table I want these month numbers converted into the month name, just like the Jan, Feb and March, April, and go on. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I need to write is equal if statement, and if this one is equal to 1, then bring me Jan. And for the false part, I want to apply another if statement, the nested if, and this cell is equal to 2, then I need to find, then it should be Feb. And for the false part, if there is nothing else remain, then what will be the false part? Then it should be blank. Now I have applied the 12 if statements, the if, nested if, nested if, nested if, nested if. So I need to close it 12 times. So it has been closed. Now hit the enter, and here you go. So this has been worked like this. But the point is basically to remove the nested if, because if there is any error that's occur over here, then I need to figure out this whole if statement. And for the formulas where we have to apply it on the large formulas, just like here I have write the simple condition, that is only the text that should be appear in the condition is true. But in the other case, if I need to apply over here the formula on the basis of some condition, that it can be a more complex formula for the if statements if we will use the nested ifs. So what is there any way to basically solve this in a simple way? Then we don't need to apply the nested if, nested if, nested if, and if there is any error in the condition, then we have to be confused when we are going to fix it. So yes, we have another way, because in the Excel we don't have the formula, but in the Google Sheet, yes, we have another formula, that is the ifs. So this formula works just like you have the count ifs, sum ifs, and the average ifs, where you have the multiple conditions that you want to be true, then you will have your desired results. So this is only a simple formula. What it is, then this only required, let me open the help, that is the condition 1, and after that what will be the returned value. So if this one is equal to 1, and you will see that how simple it is. So what will be the true condition? That will be the Jan. If that will be the Jan, sorry, the comma after that, and if this one is equal to 2, then Feb, and let me quickly apply it over here. And there is nothing for the false part, but we can also do something else, because we will have the false part, and that will be the if error. If we will have some error for this, then what we will do, then it should be blank. So hit the enter, Control enter to apply it on all these cells. Here you have all the formulas. It's working the same as it is for the nested if, but here it is the simple way, only a one formula to apply over here. That is the only ifs for the multiple conditions that you want to be true. So that's it for today. This is the only a simple tip and trick that I want to share with you guys. Hope you have learned from this tutorial. If you have learned from this tutorial, please do like the video, and also if you will have any suggestion and comments, or if you want to ask any questions, the comment section is down below, and there is no cost to be commenting on that video if you will have any suggestion. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching the 5-minute session. Fearless.